yeah, we got somebody now that criticize people like us. But now all of a sudden, I think she's turning Arteta out. I think she is Arteta out without saying that she's Arteta out. You know what I mean? It's crazy, bro. These men are doing the U-turn, bro. You know what I'm saying? These men are doing the Usher U-turn. Let's run this. Let's run this clip. Let's go.
Were the Arteta outers right, Jess?
I mean, you should question a manager after 5 seasons, so, and I've never said that you shouldn't. So
you did when I was criticizing the manager, huh? You should criticize a manager after so many seasons without a trophy. Sounds like someone's flip-flopping.
I don't know why anybody would not question a manager after not winning something for 5 seasons. So I don't know how he's gotten such a cult following where you can't question his job. Like, it's the strangest thing I've ever seen. He's not a legend of the club. He's not a world-class manager that we brought from somewhere else. He's literally a novice. So I don't know why you would think that a novice would be perfect at his job to start.
Really? Oh my days. Really? Because that's not what you said when I was on a panel with you on Dan Potts. You were getting defensive. You was backing the manager. You was talking about context. And now, who expected a novice to get over the line and win a major honor? Really? How the worm has turned. Huh? It is crazy right now. Huh? Where are all these top gooners that all of a sudden they sounded like us, bro? Oh, he has got no CV. Anyone expecting that he can't be questioned is crazy. This is moving crazy right now. Huh? Filo da puta, gotta cuenta. Yeah? You see how these men are flip-flopping? Let's continue, though. Let's continue. Let's continue.
I don't understand the whole, like, no, but we can't talk about him. You know, last season, I felt like in the summer, there should have been more conversations about his job and, you know, not winning anything and coming up short. And then this season started and you didn't need a crystal ball to see what was going to happen this season. It's not difficult to see that we didn't have enough.
Really, we should have had conversations. We tried to have a conversation, yeah? But you're so arrogant and up your own ass, looking like a Cat Williams and flipping slim fast Raheem Sterling looking filo da puta that you didn't want to listen to what Northside had to say. And now you're sounding like Northside. Huh? Ay, meu Deus, what goes around comes around. Huh? Or you, man, flip-flopping right now. Looking crazy right now, huh? Now you want to have conversations. Oh, we should have had conversations about this. We should have had a conversation about this. You, man, didn't want to listen, huh? Now you're looking like a pimp version of Cat Williams, looking like Edna Mode from The Incredibles. It's crazy for you lot. Now Kelly Rowland wants to be talking about the manager, the squad, his credential, the CV. Aguenta, God, filhos da puta. I am going to feast on you filhos da puta flip-flopping. I'm going to feast on the whole thing, bro. Because the abuse that I got from this Cat Williams looking filho da puta, yeah, talking to me, bro. Talking to me. Kelly Rowland, you're a backup dancer. You can stay as a backup dancer, yeah? Let Big Northside tell you what's going on with the club about she knows football, milk.
We're halfway through the season, a little bit more than halfway through the season, and we've crashed and burned. Like, listen, the Arteta out, Arteta in. I'm not a big fan of like the whole, like, let's get on our sides, but I just think common sense needs to prevail at some point. And
so you're not with the conversation, but then common sense needs to prevail. You're not Arteta out, but we should have these conversations. How does that even make sense? Because you sound like you're contradicting yourself. First, you say we should have these conversations about questioning this manager. He shouldn't be. He's not a legend. He wasn't a legend as a manager. He's not a legend. He wasn't a legend as a player. But now all of a sudden, we should have those conversations. But then, oh, it's childish. Oh, I don't want to have these conversations about Arteta out. Look at these filhos da puta. Huh? Thank God I've got the receipts, caramba. I've got the receipts. You ain't going anywhere. Yeah, the verdict's coming, Jeremy Kyle. You are the father. Feel that book.
We should not have such a staunch, like, hard-nosed, like, kind of defense when if it was any other manager, like Arsene Wenger, for an example, who got basically, like, kicked out of the door, Emery, who just was shoved out of the door as well. how this manager has managed to get by with such little achieved and so many resources and so much time and little to no pressure. I just don't understand why there's no pressure on him and why it's like, yeah, but it's the players. These are his players. Yeah, but it's the board. Yeah, but whenever we do good things, they say that he's really involved in everything that happens off of the pitch as well. So, yeah, I think hopefully.
Really? Well, who was saying these things? Huh? But you didn't want to listen. You wanted to be rude. You wanted to disrespect. Northside gets the last laugh, so filuta puta goda aguenta so marica da merda. Yeah? Hold that. Yeah? Hold that. Man want to be disrespectful. Man want to say, I wouldn't give Northside a penny, yeah? You're sounding like me now, filuta puta. You're sounding like me now. Looking like the B2K Omarion right now, breakdancing to Arteta outs. Now my girl's doing the body popping to Arteta outs. Yeah, I'm saying it's okay though. Yeah, it's okay. You are officially an Arteta outer cheerleader. Welcome to the gang. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to the gang. You're on key stage 1. You know what I'm saying? And we're going to continue, yeah, to catch you slipping. Let's continue.
It doesn't sound like I'm trying to like dodge it. I don't like the Arteta out, Arteta in thing. It just feels very like preschool. But I do think that like,
oh, it's very preschool. Oh, you're so classy. You're so classy to say that I wouldn't give somebody a penny if they were broke. I wouldn't give them a last pound. Oh, that was very classy from you. Yeah. Oh, I'm too above that conversation. But then you just started this whole monologue talking about we shouldn't avoid conversations about calling this manager out, or calling the fact that he's not good enough, or calling the fact that he hasn't built a team that's good enough and that there's too much protection. It's looking crazy. Looking absolutely crazy for you. But continue, please. Cat Williams, continue.
We should be questioning his position. And if you weren't questioning it before, what were you doing? Like,
Okay, but
we should be questioning the manager. But you just said you don't want to have a conversation about in and out. Why would you question a manager if you're not going to get to the conversation of whether he should keep his job or shouldn't keep his job? That doesn't make any sense. So why are you having a conversation at all? Why would you have a conversation about how well or bad the manager's doing if you're never going to sack him? You might as well not have the conversation, no? But please continue. Continue. The Oracle herself. Yeah, I'm saying my girl like flipping Kelly Rowland from flipping Destiny's Child. Continue.
but the conversation yesterday we had on Husam's channel, which was a great show. Finally, we had a good conversation. Hasn't Arteta built a good team? Are we now questioning how good the team was? Like, isn't his job to build a team that is able to challenge? Yes, he didn't get over the line. Yes, he didn't win the trophy. But hasn't he done a good job at Arsenal? Are we looking at this team, Arsenal? Now, okay, yesterday, someone on the panel actually named only 3 Arsenal good players that will win that can win titles. That's not true, though. Like, he actually built a good team. It's not true that he's done a bad job. I never said that. You said that.
Let me go on. Sorry,
I was just going to say, I just feel like a lot of this is recency bias. And, you know, you've seen these players perform at a much higher level. And I don't, unless it's like a purple patch, I don't think an entire season, 2 seasons are purple patches. I think that's who the players are. These players have definitely hit a wall. And I'm not surprised that they hit a wall. They're playing many minutes. A lot of them never get rest. They're not motivated because they're not winning anything. You didn't bring any attackers in. You're putting a lot of pressure on them to play a system that really doesn't work. We don't create a lot of chances. That's a coaching problem. That's not a player problem. It's a coaching problem. A lot of this just steers back to him. And
wow, that sounds like Arteta out.
Yo, gang.
Oh my goodness! Everything is on Arteta, yeah. Oh, it's Arteta's players, it's Arteta's team. The coaching ain't working. He's got the most out of the players. The players are plateaued. It's not on the players, on the manager that we ain't creating chances, that we're not finishing our opportunities. We haven't got the team. Oh well, then. Okay. So what are you telling me now? What are you telling me now? Huh? I'm not hearing any of it, bro. Man, looking like Sterling with a perm. You can't tell me nothing, bro. Now, real talk, because the cockiness from this fan, from especially her, the arrogance to call me out. Yeah? to be talking crap on my name, and now you're saying everything that I say now. Oh, because it's popular. Please continue, but you're not Arteta out. Yeah, but you're blaming everything on the manager. And we should have these conversations.
It's preschool.
It's it's below me. You know what I'm saying? It's below me now. You know what I'm saying? What's my girl talking about looking like Soldier Boy?
It's not, is it a good team or a bad team? Is it a good team that can become a great team to win something? And that's the problem, is when we're not doing well, everything is bad. Every player is not good enough. Every player is shit. Everything that we've ever done is the wrong decision. And that's why it's so hard to have conversations, because of course there's nuance. This is a good team. Is it a great team? No. Why is it not a great team? For me, the manager, he has a hard time coaching an attack. 4 out of the 5 seasons he's been here, he hasn't been able to figure out how to get us creating lots of chances and scoring lots of goals under pressure. And then the second thing is just like
a lot of finger pointing at the manager. Maybe the manager isn't good enough. Huh? He doesn't produce when the pressure is on. The state of the team is on him. Every finger and everything that you look at the club goes back to Arteta. You're sounding like Arteta out. Yeah, I'm saying you sound like Arteta out. Well, I don't know what's going on right now. Huh?
She's one of us. She need to get. She need a tattoo, gang. You need a tattoo, gang. She need the tattoo.
Wait, free Jess. You know what I'm saying? You know, like Tony Yayo. You know what I'm saying? You know when 50 went to the awards with the free Yayo, Eminem, free Jess.
Like, you're missing key components again. No striker. You know, you probably need another attacking midfielder. You need another winger. You know, so I don't know. Is it a good team or a bad team? Has he built a good team? Yes, he's built a good team. But there are a lot of good teams. Nottingham Forest is a good team. Man City is a good team. Chelsea's a good team. That's not the problem. Is this a team that can win something? A great team?
What do you think?
No, I don't.
Wow! She don't believe. She don't believe. She was just asked. Do you think, oh, there's a lot of great teams. There's Bournemouth, there's all these teams, Newcastle, all these teams. Do you think that the team is good enough, Jess, to win a major honor? No, I don't. So you don't like the manager. You don't like the way the squad's been built. You don't like the way that we're playing. You don't believe that the manager performs or gets us over the line in pressure moments. Yeah. You don't believe that we're going to win a major honor, but you're not Arteta out. This Ashley Cole looking cocoa head, you can never chat to me again. Never chat to me again. Are you mad? You can flick your hair 1,000 times. This ain't a L'Oreal advert, bro. This ain't a L'Oreal advert, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? This ain't Hob Hotel. This ain't Hob Salon. You know what I'm saying? You can keep flicking that texturized hair. I don't give a crap, bro. It's going to be burning at the end of the season when I cook you again. You know what I'm saying? I've been tired. You know what I'm saying? I've been tired, yeah, of these lot talking rubbish, bro. This young thug looking, feel that puta trying to talk to me about my standards. My girl looking like young thug talking to me. Yeah, you can hold that. Yeah, I hold a grudge expeditiously. You know what I'm saying? Anyhow, I'm telling you right now, the cooking will not stop. The cooking ain't gonna stop. Sitting there looking like Madea. You know what I'm saying? Talking to me about, oh, I'm not Arteta out, but but I don't like everything that's going on with the club. Really? Really? Yeah? Nah. You must be crazy. You must be crazy. You, bro, I'm telling you, my girl like Young Thug, you know? You know what I'm saying? Rich gang. You know what I'm saying? Looking like Young Thug and Rich Homie Kwan. Are you mad? Are you mad?
I think it's good enough. Like, I don't. After the summer window, I was like, Hussam and us we talked.
How many players are you away from winning, from actually believing that? Okay, forget if Arteta's or not. Two or three. It's a very good job then.
2 or 3. But I'm not saying it's not a very good job. But that's not the job. The job is not to get us to a place of challenging. It's to win trophies. That's the job. The job is not to just get us challenging. That's not the job.
What about context? You love talking about context. What about no context now? Now you're done with context. The job is not about competing. It's about winning trophies. Huh? Which homie thugger than a motherfucker? Homie thugger than a motherfucker. Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. With a lot of streams just to live this hit. I tear her out. Oh yeah. Rich homie thugger than a motherfucker. Yes, fucker than a motherfucker. Did a lot of twerking, squeezing lemons just to hit this lifestyle. I'll tear her up. Aguenta. Yeah? I don't take disrespect lightly. You know what I'm saying? I don't take disrespect. I did it already. I said it all. Actually mad. Ever tried to disrespect me? I don't care, bro. Who it is?
Actually,
Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Yeah, they make up. We've been versatility
to say constant pressure. Every
Didn't win any trophies. He
receipt, bro. I don't know if you've seen this one. Let's run this receipt.
Should he go? Should he stay? Where you at?
I said at the beginning of the season that if he didn't win any trophies, he should go, and I stand by that. I just don't think that I can, in my heart of hearts, sit here and tell people that I feel like it's fine, even with all the context, that he shouldn't have won anything in the last 5 seasons.